What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a shared lane. I'm Dez, and I am coming to you today with it's not sponsored. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but I'm just, trying to give y'all my input on this RYZE. If I'm pronouncing that right. You would not find this in the description because I'm pretty sure you've seen this in ads on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you name or whatever you watching. I'm sure you done seen it because that's how I came about this mushroom coffee. All right. So check out the intro and I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I found this, like I said, it was a couple of things I was watching that led me into seeing this product, this mushroom coffee. So it seemed like I couldn't help myself. I said, from all the benefits and things of what it could help with health-wise, I said I might as well give it a try. And of course they had little deals here and there, and who's to say that they actually were deals? Because it could have been actually the actual price, but they made it seem like they was giving you a discount. I don't know. But I got two. First off, I had got two, and then it had after I purchased the two, the little bundle, then it said something about having a discount on an extra pack, so I ended up getting three. Now, I done spent a little over $60 on this whole getup. I hope this ain't $60 I don't waste it, but we gonna find out. So this is the creamer, and the creamer, it was supposed to be free. All right, and the tumbler, the cup, it was supposed to be free. Let's open this on up. Let's see. Nice little cup. They got the little mushroom top. This is a nice. It's a nice cup to be free. So far, I like it. All right, sit that right there. And then it came with a spoon, a wooden spoon. And the little scooper. All right, and then, like I said, 3 packs of this. 3 packs. Oh, there we go. 3 of them. Little, I guess, manual, and a little sticker, a magnet. Okay, 50% off your first order. I could have used that on my first order, which this would have been. But anyway, gonna sit that right there. All right, 50%. Okay, so I got my glass here with some ice in it. I wanted to try it iced, not hot. And I got some oat milk just in case. And I got some sugar. And I got my little mixer here. So I wanted to try it first by itself, how it is, how it come. And depending on what the taste is, then I might add a little bit of oat milk, see what it tastes like. And then last but not least, a little teaspoon of sugar. Let's see what we're working with. All right, so got our little scooper. Got the little spoon I'm not going to use because I'm going to use my little mixer. All right, I'm going to put some water in this. All right. All right, I'm back. Got me a little bit of water. Let me put this over here. Open up our first pack. Let's see what Sheeta thinks of it whenever she's able to get around to tasting it. So, yeah. It's hard to tell. It don't really have too much of a smell that I could sense so far. Got that. All right. Oh, I forgot. It came with a creamer. Maybe I should. Okay. So I don't know if I should try their creamer. I think I'm gonna try their creamer. Leave the oat milk alone, but I still might use the sugar. All right. So. I feel like I'm making a little bit of a mess, but okay. Now we're gonna see what it's tasting like. It almost looked like coffee. Okay, I can smell something now. It put me in the mind of something. I don't know if y'all remember them smacks. I think that was called, the smacks with the frog, the cereal. That's what it smelled like to me. Ooh, but it sure don't taste like it. But it do have a little bit of a coffee taste, I would say. It's hard to tell. It ain't something I think I could drink by itself. I'm gonna have to add something to it. All right, so now I'm probably gonna have to order some more of this because it don't come with a full pack. But now, I'm gonna add that. Just add the creamer. And then I'm gonna mix. I don't know if I added enough because it sure didn't change the color much. Okay. I'm ready to add that sugar, y'all, because I know this probably ain't gonna be what I'm thinking. Smell the same. It ain't do it for me, y'all. Unless I just didn't add enough. About to get to the sugar now. Yeah, get to the Sugar. Boom. If that don't do it, I'm just going to have to deal with it. Stuff that's healthy for you it's normally not the best tasting anyway in most cases. All right. Okay. Let's see. That indeed helped. But it still ain't Whew. Oh boy, that's a shame. All this stuff I'm trying to add to it to give it some sense of taste. I know, I guess the most important thing out of it all isn't so much the taste, but what it's going to do for my body. I think that's what I'm more worried about. It helping, what it say to help. And I would put that up here on the screen, what it's supposed to help with. And you figure it out if that's something that you wanted to give a try. But I'm letting you know now, the taste ain't there. Yeah, it's getting there, y'all. The oat milk helped. One more little thing of sugar, and I'm gonna call it a day. I know, as far as weight loss, it ain't helping with me adding all this stuff. I sure hope I push record on here. The little mess I'm making. Okay, let's go, y'all. Oh, it's looking like something now, y'all. I could fool with it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Just wanted to let y'all know this is added to our weight loss, maybe diet. I don't know which category to put it in, but like I said, with what it's supposed to help with, if it does what it say, it's gonna help. So anyway, thanks for joining us or joining me, and I will catch y'all in the next video. I do appreciate y'all for checking us out. Continue to do that for us. We appreciate it. I don't care what nobody else say, but we appreciate it. When we always see that we done got a view or a new subscriber or whatever, even if it's one or whatever, we appreciate it. We love it. Some people probably be wanting 100 subscribers at once or whatever. Hey, we appreciate what we could get. So until the next video, y'all be safe out there.